Samantala, di pa rin pahuhuli ang ating mga lolo at lola pagdating sa tugtugan. Sa ginanap na ika-5 anibersaryo ng Pinoy Classic Rock The Reunion Jam event sa may Streetscapes Shangri-La Plaza, nagpakitang gilas sa mga bandang nabuo at sumikat noong dekada 70 at 80.
We're actually celebrating our 5th anniversary for the website. That's www.pinoyclassicrock.com, and also we're having our reunion. And by reunion, we're getting all the classic rockers together from all over the world to come back home here in the Philippines.
Kabilang sa mga bandang tumugtog ang balahibo, Men of Blue Blood, Electromaniacs and Friends, Rockin' Revival, Flintstones, Downbeats Delta Reunion, Bedroom Boys, Moonstruck at ang Halo-Halo Band na binubuo ng mga musikerong nanggaling sa iba't ibang grupo. Layo ng grupo na buhayin ang kakaiba at tunay na rakistang Pilipino.
We want to have a custodian for all this, the kwento, the good times, so that you guys will remember us, and hopefully you will enjoy the same music. You'll also enjoy the same energy that we have.
To be able to stay this long together, you don't only enjoy together, enjoy the music together, but you have to enjoy each other.
Ito ang inyong kasambahay, Rodel Flor de Lis nag-uulat para sa Hataw Balita.